Most car batteries should last 3 to 5 years, yet many die way sooner. Why? Costly mistakes that drain them fast. But here's the good news. You can double your battery's lifespan with a few simple tweaks. Fewer breakdowns, fewer headaches, just a rock-solid battery that's ready when you are. In this video, I'll show you 13 secrets that will keep your battery running strong, including a bonus tip that most people overlook but can drastically extend your battery's life. Stick around because skipping this might cost you a lot more than just a jump start. Let's dive right in. Secret number 13. Turn off accessories. Your battery does more than start your car. It powers lights, seat warmers, AC, and phone chargers. These drain power, especially when the engine is off. When you start your car, the battery works hardest. Running accessories at startup adds extra strain and reduces battery life. Turn them off before starting the engine. This helps conserve power and prevents unnecessary wear. Even when your car is off, some electronics keep stealing power. This is called a parasitic drain. It could be a stuck relay, interior lights, or a faulty system. Over time, this weakens your battery. Avoid surprises. Unplug chargers and turn off lights before leaving your car. If your battery dies overnight, check for hidden drains. Secret number 12. Tightly secure the battery. A loose battery vibrates while driving, causing internal damage, short circuits, and early failure. Excessive movement leads to cracks, leaks, and reduced efficiency, making it harder to hold a charge. Loose cables create resistance, draining power and shortening battery life. Secure the battery properly with the correct mounting brackets to prevent vibration and extend its lifespan. Avoid over-tightening, as too much pressure can crack the casing and cause leaks. Secret number 11. Don't let your car sit too long. Car batteries lose charge when unused. They need frequent recharging to stay healthy. If you leave your car parked too long, the battery may die. Even a brand new battery can go flat if it sits idle. And once it drains completely, there's a good chance it won't bounce back. The solution is simple. Start your car at least once a week. Let it run for 15 to 20 minutes to keep the battery charged. Better yet, take it for a short drive to fully recharge the battery. If you're leaving your car parked for weeks or months, use a trickle charger or battery maintainer. Secret number 10. Keep the battery terminals clean. That flaky, greenish buildup may look harmless, but it forces your battery to work harder than it should. Here's what happens. The sulfuric acid inside your battery reacts with metal, forming corrosion over time. This increases electrical resistance and makes it harder for power to flow. The result? Weaker starts, reduced battery life, and even overheating. Loose or dirty terminals make things worse. A poor connection can cause inconsistent power flow, leading to hot spots and premature failure. Fix it fast. Scrub the terminals with a battery brush until shiny, apply terminal protector spray, and tighten the connection. Secret number 9. Inspect your alternator regularly. Your battery doesn't work alone. It has a partner in crime, the alternator. Together, they keep your car powered and running smoothly. But if your alternator fails, your battery is in big trouble. A weak alternator forces the battery to work overtime. That drains power fast and cuts its lifespan in half. If the alternator overcharges, it can fry the battery. If it undercharges, the battery slowly weakens until it can't start your car at all. Either way, you're left stranded. The fix is easy. Check your alternator regularly. You can visit a mechanic or invest in a home battery tester, around $50. A quick test tells you if your battery is getting the right charge. If there's a problem, fix it before it kills your battery. And whatever you do, don't disconnect the battery cable to test your alternator. That's an old-school mistake that could damage your car's electrical system. If you want more insider tips, Check out things stupid people do to their cars. You might be surprised at what makes the list. Secret number 8, limit short trips. Quick trips might be convenient, but unfortunately, they're bad news for your battery. Each time you start your car, the battery works hard to power up the engine. But if you only drive for a few minutes, the alternator doesn't get enough time to fully recharge the battery. Soon, these partial discharges add up. Your battery gets weaker and weaker until one day, it won't have enough power to start at all. Even a new battery won't last long if it's constantly undercharged. So what next? Drive longer whenever possible. Combining errands into one trip helps your alternator do its job. Highway driving is even better, as steady speeds give your battery a full, healthy recharge. If short trips are unavoidable, don't worry. A battery tender can help maintain the charge while your car is parked. So, next time you think about skipping that longer route, remember, a little extra gas is cheaper than a new battery. Secret number 7, maintain battery fluid levels. Some car batteries have removable caps. These let you check the fluid inside. If the level gets too low, the internal plates get exposed, leading to damage and reduced battery life. To keep your battery in good shape, check it regularly. If the fluid is low, only add distilled water. Never use tap water. Tap water contains minerals that can damage the battery. But here's something important. Batteries normally only lose water, not acid. If your battery has leaked electrolyte, you need to refill it with battery acid, not just water. Before doing that, check its density to make sure the concentration is correct. Adding acid when it's not needed can destroy a perfectly fine battery. Only do this if there is a confirmed electrolyte leak. If your battery takes a charge but won't hold it, there might be a shorted cell, meaning it's beyond repair. If it has low capacity or high internal resistance, it may lack electrolyte, or its electrodes could be covered in sulfate. Unfortunately, sulfate buildup is fatal. If you have a sealed battery, you can't check the fluid, but you should still inspect it for leaks or swelling. A cracked or leaking battery won't last long. Secret number 6, temperature control. Extreme temperatures can wreck your battery if you're not careful. Let's start with heat. Hot weather speeds up chemical reactions inside the battery. That might sound good, but it's not. It causes internal corrosion and evaporates essential fluids, making the battery weaker over time. Modern engines trap heat under the hood, leaving the battery no room to breathe. On scorching days, it's literally cooking under there. To help, park in the shade or use a sunshade to keep your car cooler. Similarly, freezing temperatures drain battery power fast. Cold weather thickens the engine oil, making the battery work harder just to start the car. A fully charged battery can handle extreme cold, but a low-charge battery can freeze and get permanently damaged. So, what can you do? Keep your battery fully charged in winter. If you live in a freezing climate, a battery warmer can help keep it at a safe temperature. Take care of your battery, and it'll take care of you, no matter the weather. Secret number 5, remove and install batteries with care. When it's time to replace your car battery, handle it with care. First, turn off the engine, engage the parking brake, and remove the keys. Locate the battery, usually under the hood, but sometimes in the trunk or under a seat. Identify the positive, red, plus, and negative, black, minus terminals. Start by disconnecting the negative terminal first. Loosen the nut with a wrench and gently remove the cable. Don't let it touch any metal parts. Then, do the same with the positive terminal. If the cables are stuck, use a battery terminal puller. Once the cables are off, remove the clamps or brackets holding the battery in place. Lift it out carefully. It can weigh 40 to 60 pounds. Check the battery tray for corrosion. Clean it using a mix of baking soda and water, then dry it completely. Place the new battery into the tray, ensuring the terminals face the right direction. Secure it with brackets to prevent movement. Reconnect the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal. Apply a thin layer of petroleum jelly or anti-corrosion spray to prevent buildup. Once everything is tight, give the battery a slight shake to ensure it's secure. Start the engine to confirm the installation was successful. That's it, you're good to go. Before we hit the final 4, smash that subscribe button and drop a like. These last secrets are game changers. Let's dive back in. Secret number 4, do not let the battery run dead. Letting your car battery fully discharge can significantly shorten its lifespan. Every time it dies, it goes through a deep discharge, which wears it down faster. Over time, this leads to reduced capacity and early failure. To keep your battery in top shape, keep the charge above 80%. If it drops too low, sulfation can happen. That's when crystals form on the battery plates, making it harder to hold a charge. And once that happens, there's no going back. The battery is permanently damaged. The real danger isn't just running low, it's staying low for too long. If a battery sits in a discharged state for days or weeks, it might never recover, even if you try to charge it. Secret number 3, recognize early warning signs of a failing battery. A dead battery never comes out of nowhere. It warns you first. The trick is to catch the signs early before you're stranded in a parking lot with a car that won't start. First up, slow cranking. If your engine drags when you start it, your battery is crying for help. Don't ignore it. That's your first sign that it's losing power. Next, check your headlights. If they dim when you idle but brighten when you rev the engine, your battery is struggling to hold a charge. That could also mean your alternator is weak, so don't assume a new battery will fix it. Another red flag? A battery warning light on your dashboard. If it's on, something isn't right. It could be the battery, the alternator, or even bad wiring. Get it checked ASAP. And here's a big one. Jump starting more than once a week? That's your battery waving the white flag. Time to visit a technician before it quits on you completely. Secret number 2. Disconnect the ground if you use your car infrequently. If you don't drive your car regularly, your battery slowly drains over time. Even when the engine is off, electronics like clocks, alarms, and onboard computers still pull small amounts of power. Leave it long enough, and you'll come back to a dead battery. One simple fix? Disconnect the ground cable when your car sits for weeks or months. The ground, or negative terminal, is what completes the battery circuit. Removing it stops the slow drain and keeps your battery from dying while your car is parked. It's easy to do. Just loosen the nut on the negative terminal and lift the cable off. But remember, when reconnecting, make sure it's secure and tight before starting the car. If you drive very rarely, consider a trickle charger to keep the battery healthy without disconnecting it. Secret number 1. Choose the right battery for your car. Not all batteries are created equal. Using the wrong one can strain your vehicle's electrical system. Some manufacturers will install smaller, less powerful batteries to cut costs, but that doesn't mean they're the best fit for your car. One important thing to look at is the cold cranking amps, or C or CA. This tells you how well the battery starts your engine in cold weather. If you live in a colder climate, a higher CCA rating can make all the difference. It gives you stronger starting power and keeps your battery from struggling when temperatures drop. The best way to choose the right battery is simple. Check your car's manual. It lists the recommended battery size and power for your vehicle. If you drive in extreme conditions, consider upgrading to a higher CCA battery for better performance and a longer lifespan. Here's the bonus tip. Utilize a solar-powered battery maintainer. If your vehicle often sits unused for extended periods, a solar-powered battery maintainer can be a game changer. These devices harness solar energy to provide a continuous, eco-friendly trickle charge to your car's battery, compensating for natural discharge and parasitic drains from onboard electronics. By keeping your battery at an optimal charge level without relying on external power sources, you not only extend its lifespan, but also contribute to environmental sustainability. Keeping your battery alive isn't magic. It's just smart maintenance. Treat it right, and it'll power your ride longer, stronger, and without the drama. But what about your tires? Bad habits could be wearing them out fast. Hit subscribe, then check out 17 car tire mistakes you're making right now.